Hey, what is up, Evetech family? So I think we can all agree that load shedding is becoming a bit of a problem in our country, and we're all looking for solutions to counter this problem. I think I have the right solution just for you guys. I'd like to introduce the Titan Elecstor 100 watt Mini PowerStation. Now, I know it looks small, but what you're looking at here is a 42,000 milliamp power station that can power multiple devices at the same time, like your home appliances and entertainment devices, such as your phone, your tablet, your TV, your router, even your mini fridge, just to name a few. Here you've got your USB ports and your Type-C port. You can even plug in your extension cable to plug in the larger devices such as the mini fridge. Now, it's important to note that the more devices that you plug in, the faster it's going to drain this device. So only plug in the device or devices that you're going to need in that period of time. Now, this device does have a bigger brother, but it also has a few smaller brothers as well, which we'll take a look into in the next upcoming videos. Now, if we take a look on the website, you can see here that you can power up your laptop, your mini fridge, and TV for up to 2 hours. Your router, smartphone, and tablet can all be powered for up to 15 hours, individually, of course. Now, if you connect more devices, these times can change. With that being said, I think you guys already know what to do, so what are you waiting for? See you guys in the next video. Cheers.
I'm the one.